Do you have some headphones? Do you have access to the internet? Do you want to make $12 per song? Do you want to make $120 a day just listening to music? Yes? Awesome, then come with me, let's check it out. Check it out. Check it out. We actually broke 100 subscribers. You sell some stuff.
About the income, into affiliate marketing.
Okay, so you want to learn exactly how you can make money just listening to music right from home? How you can make $12 per song? How you can make $120 per day listening to music? Let's get into it and I'll show you exactly how you can do that. But before I show you the first site, we're putting out new videos all the time showing you different ways that you can make money online. If this is the first time you've ever been to the channel and you love to find ways to make money online, then subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you get notified each and every time we put out a new video. So with that said, let's jump into the first site now and show you how you can start making money online just listening to music. Music that you probably listen to every single day and enjoy listening to. And if that's the case, then why not get paid for it? What better way to earn yourself some money online than doing something that you do every day and enjoy doing? Okay, so this is the site that I'm going to be talking about and how you can use it to make money. So if we come down the bottom here, this is for curators. This is what you and me are. We get rewarded for building a playlist, and then you can monetize your playlist and earn money by listening to and reviewing songs. So their network is over 800 curators strong and their platform is growing every single day. You'll hear them mentioned by Medium, Hypebot, Fortune, CD Baby, and down here you can see what their artists are saying about them. Here you can go and look at the different reviews that people put out about working with this company. And just further down, this is where you can sign up to become a curator. Okay, so you don't need this part here, that's for actual artists to set up campaigns, but right for us, we're going to become a curator. Step 2, this site is called Playlist Push. Okay, so to become a curator, what you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to hit for curators. So this is where you're going to monetize and grow your playlists. And then come down here, get paid to review songs. So what you're going to do, you're going to become a curator and you're going to listen to and review songs, and you can do it through Spotify, YouTube Music or Apple Music. Okay, now the easiest way to do it is through Spotify. Now don't worry if you're wondering how to do that, because I've got you covered. And also stick on this video, I'm going to show you 3 extra ways to make income using this exact site. So you get more ways to earn just with this one site. So as it says here, you can earn up to $12 per song, and they pay out every Friday via PayPal. How do you do this? Well, one thing that you need to know before you get started is you need real followers. Now that's okay, don't worry about the real followers, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can get real followers really easy and really quickly. Okay, so stick with me and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So I'm going to show you how to do this with Spotify. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Spotify, okay? And you need to sign up with Spotify. You can either sign up using your social media or you can sign up using your email. If you already have an account, then just log in. And then you can go and create your playlists on Spotify. Well, when you first start, you're going to have 0 followers, 0 playlists and 0 songs, okay? So how do you get followers to your Spotify? So the first site that you can use to get those followers and to get them quickly, and what you need to remember is this isn't something that's going to make you rich overnight. This is something you're going to put a little bit of effort into, but once you've put the effort in and you've got those 400 followers, you can review one song and get paid $12 for doing something that you really love to do anyway. So I'm going to show you how you can get those followers right now. So the first site you're going to go to is shareplaylists.com, and in order to share your playlist on this site you need to register first, and it's a free account so it's easy to do, and you just hit register here and go through here, put your name in or what you want them to call you, email, password, confirm password, okay, and then you get onto the inside, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So here you can see all of the different playlists that are added, and you can sort by newest, most popular, top rated and random. So here you can see an hour ago there was a playlist added and it's been played one time. You can see here 5 hours ago, and you can just go down there and see there's lots of different playlists added every single day, and these are the newest ones added. So this is where you're going to come up when you first upload your playlist, and then they've got featured playlists, and you can look through it and see. You can browse by genre right here and see all the different ones they have. Okay, so when you upload your playlist, you're just going to do it here, add playlist, and you're going to put in your playlist name, your Spotify URL, and then you're going to choose your genre, your mood, and put a little description in there, and you're going to add your playlist to it. And as people start to watch it, they'll start to follow you on Spotify. Okay, so the next site that you need to go to is called Reddit. Now, Reddit is a really, really popular site for Spotify playlists, and it has a subreddit dedicated to Spotify playlists. So if you go to reddit.com, you can search in here Spotify, or you can go to reddit.com/r/Spotify right here. And this is going to bring you to this thread here. And as you can see, there's 155,000 members of this Spotify group. It tells you how many is currently online, and then you can scroll down and see the playlists that are put out. You'll see here there's a rap playlist, and you can see here Kron's VG music playlist and collab playlist, and there's an absolute bunch. You can just see them all here, different playlists that you can upload, and they get a bunch of eyes on these playlists. They can all come back to your Spotify because you post your URL. Here you can see open on Spotify, and then when they come through to Spotify, if they like the music that you're putting in your playlist, they'll follow you. And because, like I showed you before, there's 155,000 members in this group here, it's free to join, and then you can create posts and post your playlist. Then you're going to get 155,000 eyes on your playlist, and you only need 400 followers. So as long as you're putting good music in, then you're going to start picking up followers really, really quickly. To sign up to Reddit, all you do is you hit this blue sign up button here, and then you put your email address in here, and then you go through, choose a username, choose a password, hit that you're not a robot, and hit sign up. If you need help with the username, you can also look here and they give you some ideas, or you can even use these usernames if you want weary permission, inevitable share. Anyway, just some ideas for you right there if you wanted to use their suggestions, and then like I said, you hit the sign up button. So that's how you sign up for Reddit. You will have already signed up for Spotify. That's all you do. You literally just go and post your playlist on there, and as soon as you have 400 subscribers, then this is where you come back to, and you sign up right here on this blue button, sign up to be a curator, and you get paid to review songs. Now, I did say to you before that I had another way for you to earn with this website, and you can do that straight away. You don't have to wait until you've got your 400 followers, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that right now. So if you come all the way down to the bottom, and then you go to affiliate program. So affiliate program, how does this work? Well, we all know what an affiliate is, right? Somebody that recommends a product to somebody else and get commission for it. So as it tells you here, get paid for referring artists and for curators. So you can generate an income using your existing website, email address, social media, or personal connections. Right? So we're all on social media, so we could all recommend a bunch of friends or contacts we have on social media. This is nothing out of the ordinary for most people. So the perfect opportunity for music companies, influencers, or anybody with connections to potential artists or curators. Well, everybody is a potential curator. Anybody that wants to earn money by building a playlist and getting that playlist out to people is a curator, and we can all do that. So you start earning by adding your affiliate links in your blogs, on your Facebook posts, Twitter posts, on Tumblr blogs, on any social network that you're on, you can add your affiliate link to. And then when people sign up using your affiliate link, you get paid a commission. So you earn per referral. And if we click here on the learn more, it tells you exactly what you earn, right? So the first one you can earn is refer a curator link. So for every curator you refer, you will receive a 10% commission on their first 3 months of earnings. Then refer an artist and you earn 10% commissions for every artist that signs up using your referral link and runs their first campaign. So 10% on their first campaign. Well, how much would that bring in? Well, on average, a campaign costs about $450, okay? And you're going to get 10% of that commission. However, a campaign can range from $250 to $1,000, and you can get 10% of that from your referral. And then you've got the option to refer an artist code, okay? And you get 7.5% of that. So that gives the artist themselves 7.5% discount on their first campaign, and it also allows you to earn 7.5% on their first campaign as a commission as well. So there's 3 extra ways there to earn money with this website right from the beginning, even before you get paid to review music. So as an added bonus to this, as you know, with all of these things, when you do something like this, you do have to put in effort first in order to get it built up where you can then get paid for what you've done. And each thing that you do, you take the time to do it and then you get paid. This is what we call trading your time for money. If trading your time for money isn't something that you want to do and you want to get away from that, if you're looking to create yourself a passive income, if you're looking to create an income while you sleep, while you go on vacation, or even just go away with your children, go out for the day, spend the day on the beach, do something that you've always dreamed of doing. Maybe you want to go skydiving or bungee jumping or diving, swimming with the dolphins, whatever it is that you want to do for yourself and for your family. You can do that while making money. This is called a passive income. Now, if you want to know how to create a passive income, you want to know what me and Ryan are doing, then click on the link in the description below, because that is going to show you exactly what it is that we do and exactly how you can do it too. Now, me and Ryan came across this late last year in 2018, and it has changed our lives. We are already seeing the difference that this can do for your life, okay? And we are absolutely loving every single minute of it. And if that's something that you want to do, if you want to change your life, if you're not going in the direction that you feel you should be going, if you've always known that you need more, or you should be doing something different to what you're doing, maybe you're stuck in an office 5 days a week for 10 to 12 hours a day, and then you're coming home and you don't have any time with your family whatsoever before it's time to go to bed and start again the next day really early, and you're jumping in your car, you're driving an hour's commute, even longer for some people, and you're getting stuck in traffic, and you just, the stress of it all, coming home, and you really don't have the time to spend with your family. If you want that time, or if you want the financial freedom as well, whatever it is that you're looking for, then click that link and check it out. See what we're doing and see how it's helped us with our life and our dreams, and how you can get started with your dreams too. No dream is too big, and believe me when I tell you that if you can dream it, you can achieve it. And that's really, really true. All you need to do is have the work ethic, the determination, and the burning desire inside to chase after what you've always known you could have. Then you can absolutely do it. We know what it's done for us, and we really, really want to help you do the same. So if you're like us, if you have the desire, if you have the passion, if you have the work ethic to get started on your journey and see your dreams become a reality, then do check out that link. So for now, guys, that is all I have for this video. And as always, have a great day, make it epic, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, so the next, where's my, that wasn't supposed to be there. If you have some of these, and you have